everyone. Myself Dr. Sevakant Pathak here with you to see the topic heat, internal energy and work. This topic has importance in the thermodynamics. Before start the thermodynamics, this topic has to be clear in a mind to see the first law of thermodynamics or zero law of thermodynamics or any other law. So here in this the first topic is heat. So we are going to see the heat. We are knowing that the see in the box here, heat is the form of energy. Same like as sound energy, magnetic energy, light energy, electrical energy, mechanical energy. This is also a form of energy. It flows from higher temperature to lower temperature till the temperature of becomes equal, uniform. Normally energy measured in joule, but heat energy basically measured in calorie also, and the relation between calorie and joule is given by this relation, right? Joule is the MKS system and 1 joule is connected with 10 to the power 7 erg. We know it, right? We also know the definition of 1 calorie. 1 calorie is heat energy required to increase temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. It is approximate 4.2 joule. Here now to understand the second concept here. Second concept is internal energy. See the internal energy concept here. To understand the concept of internal energy, consider a system here in which matters is filled, molecules are filled, and when we give heat energy to this, supply heat to these matters, see we are knowing that these molecules vibrate, right? Its molecule vibrate. This molecule vibrate, and when we give heat energy to this, the vibration increases, right? And temperature also increases. Temperature also increases. So molecule vibration increases. Suppose this is a molecule. Now it's vibrate with higher amplitude. Here in this when we heat to a system, and when we heat more, if it is a solid here, after heating its intermolecular space increases, and after certain temperature its solid is converted into liquid. Again on increasing, its liquid temperature increases, and the distance between molecules also increases. This shows that the system's internal energy increases. This is for the internal energy. So see very carefully, when it's vibrate, vibration increases. This shows that velocity increases. Velocity increases. Velocity increases means we are knowing kinetic energy increases of the system. Kinetic energy also increases. So we are looking the whole scenario here in one more way. Let we heat to the system. This heat is used to increase kinetic energy of a system, see in the box, potential energy of the system. See, how can we say that kinetic energy of the system? Kinetic energy of a system increases means the indicator of this rise in temperature. Rise in temperature. If temperature of a system is increases, it means kinetic energy increases. And how potential energy increases? If potential energy increases, how we can say? See the indicators to increase the potential energy. If intermolecular space increases, then it shows potential energy of a system increases. Because I said to you, when we heat a system, a solid, intermolecular space increases, kinetic energy also increases, because due to increase in the temperature, vibration increases, velocity increases, and we are knowing kinetic energy is half mv square. As a result, kinetic energy increases. And when its space increases, then solid is converted into liquid. Thereafter, further heating, liquid is converted into vapor, ultimately into the gases. So, and it is called change of state. When we say this total increase in kinetic energy and potential energy is called increase in internal energy. See very carefully. So here internal energy is the kinetic energy and potential energy of a system, right? So here in case of matter, solid, liquid and gases, the internal energy is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy, right? One more thing we may say, if you select a gas here in this case, if the matter is here a gas only, and when gas is filled in it, then internal energy increases only due to increase in kinetic energy, right? And this kinetic energy, increase in a kinetic energy is called increase in the internal energy, because we know that when gas is filled, on further heating to this, it cannot change in different state. Here in explanation, I am not taking the new state of matter, that is the plasma. We are only going to explain the things by taking consideration the state of matter is solid, liquid and gas. So see very carefully the internal energy. If we have a gaseous system, if you select in the kinetic thermodynamics, we will say internal energy is changed only due to change in its kinetic energy. If the matter is in a state of solid or liquid also, so change in internal energy we will take by including both change in kinetic energy or change in potential energy. One more thing we can keep in mind that both change can take place simultaneously, or only change in kinetic energy take place, or only change in potential energy can take place, or both can take place, right? So this is actually depend on the situations. Now we are going to see the third topic here. In this case, the third topic is work in the thermodynamics. See very carefully the concept of work here in case of thermodynamics. So in thermodynamics, work has also a great importance. To understand the concept of work here in the thermodynamics, let us consider this thermodynamical system. Piston and cylinder system, closed system. in which gas is filled. Gas molecules are filled, matter is filled in it. And here in it, when we give heat to this, surely it will expand. Let this is its volume is this. Now when we heat it, let its position changes and move up to here. Right? Due to increase in when we heat it. The amount of heat given to the system, delta Q, in mathematics, this heat is given by formula product of mass of the working substance filled in this. Here working substance is gas, so mass of a gas filled. Specific heat capacity and rise in temperature, delta theta. Delta theta here denotes a rise in temperature. Due to this, let there is a displacement, delta x. See very carefully here in this. When there is a displacement here in this, then it is said work is done. Then it is said work is done. Displacement how? See, by this mathematical explanation we are knowing work is equal to force into displacement. We are knowing this formula. This force here in term of pressure is represented by force into area, and displacement here is given delta x. See here in this area into it. This work done here is we are denoting by delta W here. Area, see this area of the piston here. Same piston is moving over. Right? Let A denotes its area. Area into this is, you see in the diagram, it is the volume of it. So it made that P into delta V. The work done here in this case, when we consider work in the thermodynamics, it is obtained by pressure into delta V, change in volume, and this delta V here is represented by this space, by this blue lines here in this space. See carefully, here this is work done. So work is done when there is a displacement. A displacement means increase in the volume. What is this? Increase in volume. Right? One more thing. When we give the heat, if there is a change in volume, it is said that work is to be done. Clear? So this is all about here heat, internal energy and work. This is the foundation to start the thermodynamics. Thank you everybody.